So I'm here with my MetalChickens. He's gonna be my guinea pig, and he's having a problem with his what was it, HP 1 or 2?
It's HP1.
HP 1. All right. So this happens a lot. The installer got corrupted, and the installer in HP 1 likes to corrupt all the time. So we're just gonna do like a live troubleshooting session and see if we can just get it sorted. And some of this might get a bit technical, so when you're mucking about in the Windows registry, don't change anything other than the keys that I specify in this video because you're gonna mess up your Windows unless you do everything like I say. All right. So I see I have the installer open.
Yes.
All right, so you're gonna go ahead and just close it. Just hit OK on the error message.
Okay. Okay.
All right. And then so what you're gonna do is actually, can you just demonstrate for everyone watching back home just what the problem is?
Okay, yeah, so when I go on to the actual setup itself,
Okay, wait, before you continue, you're running a file inside of a zipped folder. You're not supposed to do that.
oh, right. See, I think that was a problem with the download itself. When I went to download the file back, it seemed to have compressed it.
Well, yeah, that's kind of standard practice for sending files over the internet. So what you're gonna do is just extract it.
Okay. So the original file here.
One more up. Go to down. It's in downloads.
Oh, okay.
So if you go to downloads and then see how it's like a zip up, it's got like a little zipper on it.
Okay, yeah, I see.
Yeah,
so I want to extract that.
Yeah, very important.
Okay.
And then anywhere is fine. Okay, so now we've got it extracted. So what I'm gonna have you do is go into Harry Potter US, and then I'm gonna have you run auto run.
Auto run at the top or the one?
That's at the bottom. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
So this sometimes you always want to try auto run first.
Okay, so
whatever language you want. English is probably better for speedrunning. Okay, just hit install and see if that works.
Give it how to go. Error installing.
Okay, so it's having a problem. Hit OK.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna have you open Task Manager.
Okay. Type it in. Okay.
And then I'm going to have you go to the Details tab.
Details tab. Yep.
And I'm gonna have you find ikernel.exe and just end the process and then try again.
Okay. There's two of them for some reason.
Okay. Yeah, that happens sometimes. So yeah, the first thing you always want to try, if install shield fails, just make sure it's not already running, because that'll screw it up. So just end both of those tasks.
Okay. Alright.
Alright, and just try one more time and see if that...
on the auto run, yeah?
Yes. So you always want to use auto run if you can. For some people it won't work, and that's fine. In that case you go to setup, but you do want to try with auto run just because it tends to work better.
Okay, alright. So yeah, still coming up with the
Okay, so it's still not working. So so also I'd like to point out, if you go to, can you open a control panel for me?
Yeah.
Alright, and then go to installed programs. Yeah.
Sorry, uninstall? Or...
Yeah, uninstall programs. Alright, so I just wanted to point out that you have like a ghost of Harry Potter here. This happens sometimes. So there must have been a botched install in the past. And so the only way to get rid of this is going to be to manually do it. All right, so what we're looking for is the folder where it stores the installation scripts for the game. And I can't remember where it is, and I'm just going to have to look for it. So it's just going to take me a second.
Yeah, no problem.
All right, you know what we're going to do in the meantime? We can... I'm going to have you go to the folder where you tried to install the game to.
Yes. That's the thing. I don't actually know where that is.
Alright, so it would most likely be in Program Files x86. So what we're going to do is we're going to just make sure there's no trace of the game left. Okay, so I don't see it in here, so it's not in here.
Alright.
So we're fine. what we need to do now is, this is the tricky part, open up the registry editor. So just type this into, I'm going to open it up. It's not letting me, hold on. My phone's going off. Alright, so you're going to type this into the start menu.
Okay. No problem.
And then open up the registry editor.
Okay.
And then just hit yes when it asks you if you want to do that.
Mm-hmm.
All right, and then I have it written down, the exact path that you need to go to. So you need to go to H key local machine.
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to manually remove Harry Potter 1. So expand that folder.
Okay.
And then you go to software.
Software.
Right. And this might differ from computer to computer. So if you don't have a 64-bit computer, it's going to be in a different place. So go to WoW 6432 node.
Yeah. I expand it, right?
Yes. And now you're going to go to EA Games. And then you'll see there's Harry Potter. So what we're going to do is delete the entire EA Games folder.
Okay.
Although actually, if you before you do that, if you go into Harry Potter again, that might tell us where. Oh, you put it in Steam.
Oh, jeez. I don't even remember doing that. That must have been like accidental because I don't even remember selecting anywhere to put that.
All right, so you're gonna make sure. So you can keep this window open, but go into File Explorer and make sure it's not there. And also I see where that folder is that I was looking for. It's listed right there.
All right.
The app data. It is an app data. I knew it. All
right. So yeah, sorry. Where is File Explorer? Sorry. Do you mean actually down here?
Yes. I mean yes. That thing. So you're going to go to Steam, which is right there, and then just make sure there's no Harry Potter nonsense going on in here.
See, I can't see any down here.
Scroll up a little bit. Do you have a system folder in here, or?
I don't think so.
All right. So I think you should actually be okay. I don't think it actually installed. But what we can do is open up your user folder.
Okay. User. In this bit or?
No, that's in like where your like documents are and stuff.
Okay. Sorry.
Or no, you need to go to this PC. And then click or expand it in the tree there on the left. And you're gonna where is it? All right, well you can just go to local disk.
Okay.
And then click users. And then click on your username.
Don't know why it's that one. Maybe it's the other one.
And then, yep, no, it's this one. And then what you're going to do is, actually, you don't have hidden files enabled. So you're just going to type in %appdata% into the search bar at the top, or the address bar, rather. Or in File Explorer. Make sure.
Is it actually do you write as in % or as in?
All right, you're going to do it in the address bar of the Windows File Explorer, actually.
Oh, okay. Go back here. So like up here at the top.
Yeah, and yes, the actual % symbol.
Okay. So %.
This is just the easiest way to get to that folder. And then hit enter.
Okay.
And then you're gonna go up one level.
One level, sorry.
Yep. So just go to the app data folder itself.
Oh.
Alright, so you can also hit the up arrow if you want. Yep, there we go. Okay, so go to local.
Local.
And it's under temp.
Okay. Yep.
And then it is in. Okay, so you can see it's been trying to install Harry Potter. So
Yeah.
just delete all the files that have Harry Potter 1.zip in them,
Okay.
all the folders there.
Uh, and, uh, delete. And yeah, I'll go into my recycling bin. Get
All
rid of
right.
them.
Well, that doesn't matter. You can do that later.
Oh. Okay.
All
All
right,
right.
and then open up the registry editor one more time.
Registry as the back on.
And this is actually necessary to fully fix it. So
Uh,
it's the blue chunky cubes.
yeah. Sorry.
No problem. And see where it says product GUID.
Product GUI.
It's near the bottom of that list, and then so you're gonna note that string of number, that alphanumeric string, and then just see if there's a folder in app data that matches the name of that.
Okay. Do I just memorize it?
Yeah,
Or
just
do I
just
actually want to
just just
copy
like
it?
just like look at it briefly, and you'll see if
Okay.
there's anything that has the same name as it in
Okay.
that
So
app data folder where we just were.
okay. So
And yeah, it's that first one
yeah,
right there. I
that
think is the same thing. So
yeah.
you're gonna just delete that
Okay.
because it's messed up. That's the installation information, and it's
Okay.
right now it's gotten corrupted, so you don't want that lingering around.
Oh. Okay.
And then you should now be ready to go into the registry editor one more time,
Mhm.
and then delete the EA Games folder entirely.
Okay. Delete.
All right, so now if you can open up Control Panel again, and we just want to verify that it's no longer installed.
Okay. Uh, Uninstall program from here,
Yep.
right?
And then it should no longer be there. Oh, it's still there. All right, so just hit
So,
uninstall real quick,
okay.
and it should give you
Oh,
an error saying, oh, okay, it didn't like that.
same error. Yeah.
It shouldn't even be in that list considering we just got rid of it. Um, oh, you know what? There was another folder we didn't get rid of that we were supposed to.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Okay.
so it's my fault. So if
Cool.
you go into back into registry editor, see the one that says
Mhm.
electronic arts.
Oh, sorry. Electronic arts.
Yeah, it's right right under what's selected.
Oh, yeah. Sorry.
All right, so just expand that. Make sure there's nothing in there that we actually need. Okay, so looks like you might have some other games installed from EA. So we can't delete this folder because then it'll screw those up. So
Oh, I really don't care. We can do that. Let's,
um,
let's do it.
no. So see the one that actually says EA Games.
Yeah.
That's the one that you don't need. So you can just get rid of
Okay.
that one.
All right. All right. Cool.
Okay, we should be.
Should I try again to uninstall it?
Um, no. It's just make sure. So something is still telling it where to try to uninstall it from. So we're not completely finished.
Oh, okay.
Just wondering if we did something wrong. Oh, you know what? You know what you should try that I forgot. You need to go to. I have it written down here. The program files x64, x86. Sorry.
Yeah. All right. Uh, sorry. Yeah. I'll just make a new one. So. um. Oh, on C drive, yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
And then go to common files. And you're actually going to just delete the install shield folder.
Okay.
because there might be a problem with it. Oh, you might have to close the process first again. So you have to open up Task Manager.
Oh, okay. Yeah, no worries. Is it the actual install shields one?
Yeah.
Okay. It seems to be a few open.
Yeah, that happens.
I think that's
all right. Now try again on the window. Oh, so see that red thing in your taskbar? Yep. So if you go into your taskbar at the bottom of the screen,
yeah, sorry,
it's in the one on the way on the right, and then hit try again.
Okay.
All right. So now we should. Okay, so go back to program control panel. Sorry, it's open right there.
Mm-hmm.
And then hit refresh at the top of the page.
Refresh. Sorry, I've never had to hit this button before.
It's okay. It's the bar that actually right there. So.
Oh right, yeah. Sorry.
Yeah. It's okay. So is it still okay? So it's still listed. So it's still lingering somewhere. This is the problem.
Huh.
So we haven't completely gotten rid of it yet. And so don't try to uninstall it again, because then it's just gonna it's probably gonna just fail in the same exact way. Second. All right, I'm gonna just look and see if there's any registry keys we missed.
Okay, no worries. By any chance, it doesn't need me to restart my PC.
Yeah, you can. That might help.
All right, so I'll be back in just a moment.
Sure. You can try to install the game again, or actually, open Control Panel and see if it kind of fixed itself.
Okay. All right. Nope, still here.
It's still there. So we need to get that out of there. Otherwise, it's not gonna, it's not gonna work probably. We'll think it's already installed.
See, by this point, shouldn't all traces of just Harry Potter in general be off my computer? Or,
I thought we've got everything.
Should I type in? See, if I type in Harry Potter,
it should be nothing then. Yeah.
Yeah, nothing comes up.
Nothing comes up. So where the heck? What's the deal? All right. So I think I've just been consulting the Google, and seems that there is another place where it might be stored.
Okay.
HQ local machine. All right. So if you go back to registry, so you're gonna go into you can just collapse everything.
Oh, yeah.
And then go to HKey local machine, software, and then Microsoft.
There we go.
Windows.
Windows. Okay.
It's gonna be at the bottom. And then just go to current version.
Current version.
And then click on it. There's gonna be a folder at the bottom called uninstall.
So I might scroll a bit too far down here.
There it is. There it is. All right. It's all alphabetized, so just go STU. Scroll down a little further than that. There it is. There it is.
Alright, uninstall.
Alright, open that up.
Alright.
And then I hope you remember the code.
It would. Wow.
I think it's that's the third one down actually.
The third one down. From here, 1, 2. Yeah. Will it tell us?
That's definitely not it. Yeah, it'll tell you.
Okay.
Guess these. Yeah, I'm still sick. Actually,
What?
if you go down, I think there's stuff that has friendly names. Yeah. All right. So you might want to expand the divider so you can see what we're doing a little better.
Oh yeah, no, good idea. Much better idea. Okay.
All right. So I don't see anything in there. Oh, okay, we're in the wrong place. All right, so you're instead gonna go to so just collapse it all. So it's not gonna be here. I forgot because this is not the kind of program it is. All right, so just collapse everything and then go to. So you're gonna go to software. Yep, HQ local machine.
Sorry, I saw the beginning software.
The local machine.
Local machine.
Yep.
Right.
Software, and then it's gonna be you can open up software and then collapse the Microsoft folder.
Microsoft.
Yeah.
I hit this one. Yeah.
And then go to the bottom, the WoW 64.
Mm-hmm.
And then you're gonna go to Microsoft.
Okay.
And then Windows. So it's actually gonna be in here. I messed that up.
Okay.
Windows, current version. And then again go to uninstall. It's near the bottom.
Sorry. There it is.
Yep.
Right.
And open it up, and now we should be able to find it in here. If you just quickly hit down arrow key to just flick through these, and then until we find it. I don't think it was any of these. It might have been this next one. Yeah. There.
That one.
One down.
Okay, this one.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I see. Yeah.
Oh, okay. There is another folder we forgot to get rid of.
Oh.
It's that one right there, the one that's listed. It's install shield information. That was the one that we were forgetting.
All right.
So okay, so that was a long way around to just figuring out that was the. So we're gonna go to local disk again.
Yep.
I knew we were forgetting something.
Can I do it from this bit here?
Yep.
Okay, local disk.
Program files x86. I knew we were forgetting something. Okay, install shield information is where. Wait, did I read that wrong? Go back to the registry editor. Did I read that wrong?
No, I think.
What?
Install shield
Oh,
installation.
it's a hidden folder. Right. So you're gonna have to just see. What you're gonna do is just copy that entry. So just right click and see if you can copy it. Or click on it. Left click on it first. Just do straight up left click.
Yeah.
Oh, you can't?
No.
Alright, how do you do
it's
this?
just
Hold on.
within.
I
can do it on a log file, but.
Yeah. Okay. Can you copy? Oh yeah. Just hit modify.
Okay.
And then just copy it from there. Just hit Control C.
Okay.
And
okay.
Yep. Hit OK.
All right.
And then what you're gonna do is go to File Explorer and just paste that. Paste it into the address bar, but don't hit Enter.
Okay.
And then delete everything after the last backslash.
Yep.
So just hit backspace a few times. And
so
keep going.
everything here.
Yep, and then hit it. One more.
Oh, one more.
Yep, and hit Enter.
All right.
So that'll take you to this. Okay, so then go one up. So one level up from here. So just hit the up arrow on the left.
This one.
No. See how there's like the back arrow, the forward arrow, and the up arrow?
One?
Yeah. Yep. And then delete this folder.
Delete that. Okay.
Yep. If you go to Control Panel now, it should no longer tell you that the game's installed. So it's already open in taskbar.
Alright, so I cancel that. Control Panel.
Yep. And you go to uninstall, and now if you refresh. Yep. So just refresh. So actually, what you're gonna do is just try to uninstall it. It won't work.
Okay. All right. There was a problem start. Now it's different.
Hit OK. So that's good. That means that it's not on your computer anymore. It still thinks it is, but it's not, which is fine.
Okay. So we can.
So what you can do is yep, that's good. So you go to the registry.
Other registry. Yep.
And you're gonna just delete that. See the folder that's currently selected?
Yeah, this one here.
Delete it. Yeah.
All right.
So now it should no longer be in control panel, because now if you go to control panel, it won't see it anymore.
Okay, wait. Sorry. Refresh. Yeah, it's gone.
Okay, so now it's fully uninstalled. So I'm gonna cut all this up into like a very coherent guide I'll make from this madness. But I had to do it like this because I don't have this problem anymore, so I couldn't demonstrate it. So now you demonstrate how to fully get rid of HP. This works for all the games; they're all the same. So basically, write down that GUID. If anyone watching, if you have a problem, write down that like long alphanumeric string, or like copy it somewhere, and then that's what you're going to use to identify all these folders. And this will work on a 64-bit PC. It should be the same. But for 32-bit PC, you're going to just do the same, but without going to that WoW 6432 note folder. And that is it, ladies and gentlemen. You think this video was long. I cut out like half the footage. Most of it was us just like dicking around doing nothing. So there you go. That's how to fix a broken HP install. I hope this helps someone.